Tired of city living? This place is for you. Hi, I'm Ariel De Yondon,
And I'm Maria Aida Dayondon,
your real estate salesperson here in Cebu under PLS Reyes Realty. Right now, we are here at One Garden Residences.
A condominium where accessibility of hospitals, churches, schools, and malls are at your reach.
For as low as 14,825 pesos monthly, you can now own a condo unit. Come, join us as we give you a tour of this unit.